Okay, so this is the bottom wire. There's no mistaking it. I'm pretty sure that's bottom. And then there's the one with two wires, which is this one. I plugged that one into the middle where I found it, and it still didn't work. And then I assumed that this one is at the top. The only thing I wanted to try to do is to switch this one and this one from middle to top, because I'm pretty sure this one is bottom. And every time I plug it in, like, and I turn it on, it automatically just blows a fuse. So you're saying I did it wrong, but I'm pretty sure I found it in this order. The one with the two wires right here goes in the middle. That's 1, 2, and 3. Tell me if I have it wrong.